I'm Brett Flagg. I'm a business attorney and I've been practicing in the Dallas area for about 28 years. One of the situations in which I have worked with Bob involved a small, closely held company with two owners. And in fact, their relationship had become insupportable. They just could not work together anymore. One of the many benefits Bob brings to my practice is he is able to work out the major deal points with the parties in a non-hostile, non-confrontational environment. He can say things to the parties that their attorneys cannot. If I'm representing a party, it's very difficult for me to tell them, you shouldn't be asking for that, or that doesn't make sense. Now, sometimes if it's ridiculous, we can, but if it's a pure negotiating point, Bob is in a much better position to approach a party and say you're being unreasonable, and in an effort to get this done, you might reconsider some of those things. He does that on both sides, so that gets them to meet in the middle more times than not. Actually, it's my understanding that up front, he gets each party to commit to operating principles for all their meetings. And I believe they sign off on a commitment to abide by certain rules in the course of the negotiation, part of that being the accountability of doing the things that Bob is assigning them to do. So that is somewhat unique in the mediation process as far as I'm concerned, certainly with regard to attorneys. An attorney is really not in a position to be between parties refereeing that situation. So Bob is in a unique position to do that. Bob's demeanor is very calm. He's a very calm, gentle person, and that helps, I believe, break the tension in the negotiations with the party. He comes across as very balanced, very reasoned, and very thoughtful in the way he leads the negotiation. So I believe in a potentially hostile situation, both parties are put at ease with the way that he conducts himself and the way that he gently leads them through the processes of what could be a very difficult situation.